With the understanding of random experiment, now we can look at something called as outcomes and sample space. Outcomes are nothing but all the things that can happen with a random experiment are your outcomes. For example, when we roll a die of 6 face, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all these are your possible outcomes. Putting them all together as a list is your sample space. The complete list of all possible outcomes, just like a menu, is your sample space. Again, same example, when we roll a die, we get a sample space of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, we have two set of questions just to give us a quick idea of what we are talking about. Describe the sample space for the indicated experiment. Okay, so we have a coin is tossed and a die is thrown. So I'm lazy to write it down. Let me show that. Right, sample space of tossing a coin and rolling a die. So we have head and a 1, head 2, heads 3, heads 4, so on and so forth. So these are all your possible outcomes. And the end product of this is your sample space. Okay. Now, so I'm not going to write those. A coin is tossed and then a die is rolled only in case a head is shown on the coin. So this is a peculiar case. So we have the first thing is the coin thing. So coin is tossed and then a die is rolled only in case a head is shown. So if I get a tail, there's nothing that I'll do after this. Okay. The next thing is a head and a 1. Then we have head and a 2. Then we have head and a 3, right? What is that we're looking at? When we toss a coin, we have a head. And post that, I'm able to roll a die. And so we have the following as your possible sample space.